Okay, so sample space describes all the possible outcomes. Sample space can be shown with lists, tables, or tree diagrams to determine the probability of simple or compound events. So the New England Patriots and the Dallas Cowboys are playing. What are the possible outcomes of the game? I need one team to win, one team to lose. First opportunity or first outcome is that the Patriots win and the Cowboys lose. Second outcome is the Cowboys win and the Patriots lose. It's the opposite. A number cube is rolled. What are the possible outcomes there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
1 through 6.
Did I just put 1 down 6?
Each one, sure, has an outcome or a probability of what? To be chosen or to happen. How many times can I get a 1? Out of? So how many times can I get a 1? 1/6. Each one has a probability of 1/6. What if I wanted to say odd? Odd numbers have a probability of what? How many are odd? 3 out of 6, which reduces to what? 1/2. Even numbers would be what? Which is what? 1/2. Half of those numbers are even, half of them are odd. Okay? Now looking at a list or a table. For breakfast, Jamie can choose from cereal, eggs, or a muffin. So that's a food. And she can also drink coffee, orange juice, or milk. Those are beverages. What are all the possible outcomes? And how many total outcomes are there? So if I've got 3 foods and 3 drinks, what do I do to those numbers? What did I do in my notes? Look back. Look back. Go back, go back, go back. Say that again. Multiply. Thank you. What's 3 times 3? 9. It is not 6. 9 total outcomes. Okay, what's one potential combination? Start with the food and then pair it with the drink.
Apple and coffee.
There's no apple here. Cereal and coffee. What's another food and drink? Stick with one that is the same already. So either repeat cereal or repeat coffee.
Coffee and orange juice.
Cereal and orange juice. You can't have coffee and orange juice. What else? Repeat again.
Cereal and milk.
Cereal and milk. I have exhausted all opportunities for cereal now, or all the outcomes. Now after cereal, what can I eat?
Eggs and coffee.
Eggs and coffee. What's the next one?
Eggs and orange juice.
Eggs and OJ. What's the third one after that? Eggs and milk.
Cereal and coffee.
Yeah, it doesn't sound good, but it is what it is. Okay, I've exhausted all of my egg options. What about the next one?
OJ.
Muffin and coffee.
Muffin and coffee. Yes,
How you gonna do cereal and coffee, but you still need milk?
right. People eat cereal dry. Okay, muffin and OJ, good. And then last one, muffin and not cereal and milk. Okay, make sure you got 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, I've done all the total possible outcomes. At registration, a student can select from Spanish or German classes, as well as art, music, or theater. What is Spanish and German?
Language.
How many of them do I have to choose from? 2 languages. And what are music and theater and art? They're electives, sure. How many do I have? 3 electives. How many possible outcomes can I get?
6.
What I do over here, honey?
4. 6.
What I do right here?
6.
No, listen. What did I do here? Okay, I know y'all got it. I'm trying to talk to one student right now. What did I do here, sweetheart? Multiply. So what am I going to do over here? Multiply. 2 times 3 is 6, like everybody else has been saying. 6 total combos. So, what are all the possible outcomes, and then how many are there? I got the 6 out of the way. That's how many there are. Now I need the possible combinations. I'm going to make a little table. On one side, I'm going to have a language, and on the other side, I'm going to have an elective. Okay, what's the first language that I can pick? Spanish. What can I pair Spanish with? Art. What's next? Spanish and music. What's the next one? Spanish and theater. German and go in order, honey. So if I'm doing Spanish art, Spanish music, Spanish theater, I'm going to do German art, German music, and German theater. Why do I stay in that order? Because it's easier to remember that I've covered them all and it's a little more organized. German and theater. And I need 6 combinations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Got them. All right. A fair coin. That means a regular coin, 2 sides, 1 head, 1 tail. It's tossed 3 times. What are all the possible outcomes? And how many total outcomes are possible? So on the first flip, how many opportunities or how many outcomes can I get?
3.
It's a 2-sided coin, honey.
Oh.
2 outcomes. On the second flip, how many opportunities are there? On the third flip, how many opportunities are there?
2.
What do I do with these 2? What's 2 times 2? 2 times 2
Oh, 4.
times 2.
8.
Now it's time for 8. 8 total outcomes. On the first flip, what can I get? Heads or tails. First flip, done. On the first flip, if I get a heads, listen, what can I get on the second flip? Nope. I can get heads or tails. Again, heads or tails. On the first flip, if I flip a tails, what can I get on the second flip? Heads or tails? Hint, hint, that's always going to be the answer. If I flip heads first, then heads second, what can I get third? Heads or tails? What if I flip tails second?
Same thing.
Same thing. You're catching on. It's very repetitive. If I flip tails first, then heads second, what can I get here? Heads or tails? What about this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I got 8 outcomes, right? Then I'm good. All right, moving on. Amanda will roll a number cube and flip a coin. What can she get on a number cube? 1 through 6. By the way, I'm making a list. Like it says, create a list and use the info to answer the question. And flip a coin. What can I get on the coin? What? A. Heads or tails? Sure, if they work. If Amanda rolls the number cube once and flips the coin once, then what are the possible outcomes in which the number cube lands on an odd number? I just want odd numbers. So is 1 through 6 even feasible anymore? No, it's not. I just need what numbers that are odd? 1, 3, and 5. Then what are my other options for the other event? Heads or tails? H or T. T-A-I. Learn how to spell. All right. So, what is one combination? I'm rolling a number cube and I want an odd number. What number can I get?
3.
1. Okay. Now I'm flipping a coin. What can I get? So, no, I just want one thing, guys. I want one combination. So, start at the beginning, ladies and gentlemen. I want it to be organized.
So heads and 1.
Heads and a 1. There we go. Thank you.
And then
Tails is not a number and neither is heads.
heads and 3.
The numbers that are odd are 1, 3, and 5. Say that again. Heads and 3.
And then 5.
Heads and 5.
Tails and 1.
Tails and 1. Tails and 3. And tails and 5. I've exhausted all the opportunities for flipping a heads and getting an odd number. And I've exhausted all the opportunities for flipping a tails and rolling an odd number. How many outcomes do I have total? 6. Because there's 3 here and 2 here, and 3 times 2 is 6. 6 combos. Okay, over here. 2 spinners below are spun at the same time. What are all the possible outcomes of the 2 spins?
1, 4, 2.
So, pause. I have 1 and 2, and then I have how many different colors?
Yellow, red, blue, and orange.
So how many?
4.
So what should I get total number of outcomes?
8.
How many over here?
8.
8. 2 over here, 4 over here. 2 times 4?
8.
8. Okay, I need one person who thinks they can tell me all the combinations. Yes, ma'am.
Yellow is 1.
Yellow and 1.
Then yellow is 2.
And yellow and 2.
Then red is 1.
Red and 1.
Red is 2.
Red and 2.
Blue is 1.
Blue and 1.
Blue is 2.
Good. Keep going.
Orange is 1. Orange is 2.
Good.
Do it have to be 9? Yeah. It's 8.
Ladies and gentlemen, there is no specific order. You can start where you want to start. So you could have done 1 red, 1 yellow, 1 blue, 1 orange. And then 2 red, 2 blue, 2 yellow, 2 orange. Okay? The order doesn't necessarily matter as long as you're covering all bases and it is organized. Organized means the yellows are with the yellows, the reds are with the reds, the blues are with the blues, and the oranges are with the oranges. Or the 1s are with the 1s and the 2s are with the 2s. Okay? Based off what I started with. Okay? Do I still have 8 outcomes here? Absolutely. That's all I'm looking for. Okay, a clothing line has shirts in red, blue, or white, and pants in gray or khaki. How many different combinations can be made with the clothing line? I have 3 shirts and 2 pants. 2 times what?
3.
Is 6. Over here, I'm buying a car. Esther's buying a car. She gets 2-door or 4-door with leather or cloth interiors in black, silver, or white. I've got 2 types of doors. I've got 2 types of interiors, and I've got 3 kinds of colors. What's 2 times 2?
4.
Times 3. 12 outcomes. I need all of them. Okay, let's go ahead and rock these out.